Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Welcome to the Fall Crafts 2019 YouTube Hop. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new project. I'm really excited to host this event with my dear friend Sandy Nagel from Decorate Your Life. We have got an amazing lineup of designers who will share their fall and Halloween crafts. Plus, each channel will be giving away a wonderful prize. I'm also very excited to announce our grand prize sponsors. The first is Art Institute Glitter. They make the wonderful art glitter glue. They have generously donated a $50 gift certificate to artglitter.com. The second sponsor is Renee Bouquets, who's also donated a $50 gift certificate to reneebouquets.com. In order to participate in the giveaway, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. resident, and a visible subscriber to each of the channels. And we do check to verify that everyone is subscribed to all of the channels in the Hop. I will also be giving away a $25 gift certificate on my channel. However, you have to watch until the end of this video to find out how you can win. For my project, I took my inspiration from the Farmhouse designs. That seems to be very popular this fall, and I really wanted to do it in my own unique style and add a bit of glitz and glam to it. Most of you who watch my videos know that I always like to add in a little bit of glitz here and there to finish off my project. This project is quite tall. This is a 3D pumpkin topiary, and it measures 22 inches from top to bottom. I'm not able to get the entire pumpkin topiary in the video, so I will be showing you this in pieces. To make this pumpkin topiary, I used a digital file that I purchased from Etsy, and I'll be sure to include a link to the tutorial that I did a few weeks ago that shows you how to make the pumpkin boxes. For the paper, I used a collection by Minte called Life Stories. I really like this collection because it incorporated all of the popular colors for the season, including the sages, the creams, the beiges and whites, as well as the gingham black and white colors. This project is super fun to make. It makes a wonderful home decor piece, and it's also very inexpensive. Before we review this project in detail, let me give you a quick overview of what this looks like. I love all of the details here. This was so much fun to make. The bottom pumpkin measures 8.5 inches wide. The middle pumpkin measures 7.5 inches, and the top pumpkin measures 6.5 inches. I just love the way this turned out. On the top, I have decorated this with a beautiful cream sunflower. I purchased these beautiful sprays from the Dollar Tree and also AC Moore. I outlined this pumpkin with this beautiful cream crochet trim, and then I line that with some beautiful beading. I have Spanish moss here. In the center, we've got this beautiful black and white marble paper, and this is where I brought in that beautiful gingham pattern. This is ribbon that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and then I've lined that with a beautiful rhinestone trim. I think that looks so pretty. On the bottom here, I've incorporated a variety of different flowers. We've got some cotton pieces. We have a velvet white pumpkin. These are not my traditional fall colors. Usually I love the browns and the reds and the golds, but I think this is just so beautiful, and I can't wait to display this. Let me turn this around and give you a better view. On the top, I've wrapped the stem with this fun jute that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and again you can see more of this beautiful cream crochet trim with the pearls, and the back of this topiary I think looks just as beautiful as the front. So I've alternated the flowers on each side, and we have more of this cotton, and I love these velvet pumpkins. The great thing about these pumpkin boxes is that you can scale them to be as small or as large as you want. This particular file can be as small as 4 inches all the way up to 11 inches. And they're also quite functional. In my previous video, I made a box that you could actually store gifts in. So this would be a perfect hostess gift, especially during Thanksgiving time. It's extremely versatile, it's super easy to make, and it just makes a beautiful decorative element in your home. Before I let you go, I want to tell you how you can win my $25 gift certificate. When you leave a comment, be sure to include the words "Falling for Sir Chauncey Rocco." Once again, that's "Falling for Sir Chauncey Rocco." This concludes my review of my farmhouse inspired pumpkin topiary. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Up next in our hop is Janet Axman from Sugar Shine Designs. I can't wait for you to see what she's made. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Happy crafting!